Hello folks, welcome to another video. So today in this video we are going to see about SQL injection attack. So the main focus of SQL injection attack is actually getting the version of the database, because whenever you are getting a version of this database, we'll be able to kind of deploy the exploits according to the version that we have found. So it is like reducing the attack surface and focusing on the target rather than considering a lot of possibilities. Instead of that, we are focusing on one possibility that will have specific version on focus. So that is the idea. So let's see how we can do that. So this is a sample website and it's a demo website which has an SQL injection attack in one of the parameters. So let's start to kind of browse this website to see if we can find any vulnerability present in this website. So I see a lot of text over here. So this is the actual design of the website, and we have different categories. So in one of the parameters in the categories only, we will be able to inject one of the SQL here. So let's do accessories here, and we'll see if we can inject anything in this parameter. So here in this category, you can see the category equal to accessories. That means this is a parameter that is actually going from the browser to the backend server. So we can try to inject some single code here and see what is the status here. And as you can see, we can get an internal server error. That means this parameter may be vulnerable to SQL injection attack. So currently I have designed one of the parameter that we can inject as a payload, and in this parameter we will be able to fetch all the versions of the database that is present in the backend database server. So I'll show you. This is the payload that I have designed. So let's say that select star, this the query construction is as follows. Let's say select star from products where categories equal to accessories, and let's say this is the parameter. So what we are going to do is we are going to inject this payload here in this part. So what happens is, you can see that we have put a union and we have put a select, and a banner is there, and it will be able to fetch the version from a table, and the rest of the query will be actually made into comment. So this is the actual payload that we are going to use, and we will see how it will yield any result or not. So I'm going to inject this into the categories here. Currently there is no response here. We'll try to do in another parameter. Gifts is there. And as you can see, when I just try to use this gifts parameter, I am able to see what are the versions that is present in the database server. So once you find the version actually present here, then you can actually see other service versions that are active on that server, and you can deploy your exploits that are vulnerable to these kind of versions of the database. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this is interesting and useful for you. So please like, share and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.